Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the perfect mix for maximum productivity according to me. That's right, I think I have come up with the perfect mix for maximum productivity according to what I have learned over the last, many years, okay, that I've been paying attention to this. Now let me go over sort of some of the backstory, then I'll tell you what the perfect mix is. I'm going to keep the video short, sweet, and straight to the point, so pay attention. I went through a period of my life where I was always around people. And that was great. I was like completely social. I was with everyone maximum, as much as I could possibly be with people. I was just always around people, and that was great. And then I also went through a separate period of my life where I valued being alone, not a ton, but as much as I could. Meaning if I could get some alone time, I would take advantage of that alone time. Okay. And, I basically tried to be alone, I guess as much as it made sense. I wasn't always alone. Don't get me wrong, but during that time, I tried to get as much alone time as would make sense, so if I had the opportunity to be alone and sort of be, by my sort of lonesome self, relaxing, thinking things through, I took that opportunity to be alone and think things through and clear my mind and so on and so forth. And both of those periods of time were great. There was nothing wrong with each of them. But what I've learned is that for maximum productivity and along with that sort of like maximum happiness for me, according to me, the perfect mix falls in between. Okay, the perfect mix involves being alone, but also being with people. So let me explain. Basically, for myself, in order to be maximum productive, okay, and maximum happy and maximum fulfilled and so on and so forth, okay, what happens is if I'm alone when I'm working, I work so well, I get it all done super quickly. And then when the work is done, I become completely social and I'm amongst people. So being alone during the working period and then being amongst people whenever I'm not working, okay, has been amazing in terms of productivity, also in terms of happiness, also in terms of fulfillment. Because what happens is when I'm alone, when I'm working, I use that lonely time, that quiet time, and I work like an animal. I'm unbelievably productive. And I'm motivated to get everything done as quickly as I can and as efficiently and as effectively as I can, because then it gives me the opportunity, once the work is done, to go and be social and be amongst other people, as much as I can possibly be after that. So for me, that has been a game changer, understanding that try to get alone time to get work done. But then once that's done, go and be as social as you can possibly be. For myself, that has been a game changer in terms of being productive and happy and fulfilled and so on and so forth. It has worked so well. And I've just been unbelievably productive by being able to do that. Getting to be alone when I work as much as I can, because obviously there are many times throughout my day when I'm doing work and I'm trying to be alone, but I can't be alone for one reason or another, and that's totally fine. But just trying to get as quiet, as undistracted of an environment as possible while I'm working, and then once that work is done, going and being social amongst everyone for the remainder of the time. It has been absolutely incredible, and it has benefited me tremendously. And that's it. In my opinion, that has been what I've learned to be the perfect mix for maximum productivity. Like I said, not every day looks like that, because oftentimes, I'm alone and I'm working, and then someone will interfere, which is totally fine and it's totally normal. And also sometimes when I'm not working and I want to be social, there's just no one available to be social with, and I end up being alone when I'm not working as well. And that's totally fine as well. But like in terms of like what I try to create this environment where I work in quiet, undistracted, nothingness, alone. And then after that, as much social as possible once the work is done. That's the environment that I try to create, and it allows me to be maximally productive and just completely happy, completely fulfilled. And honestly, I enjoy every day. I mean, even if things don't go my way, I enjoy every day anyways. But because I created this little sort of format of how my day looks, and I try to get it as close to that as possible in terms of how it actually plays out in reality. I've just been able to just completely enjoy and just be productive every single day. And that's it. I figured I'd share it with you because, like I said, I've learned to get to this point. But yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.